Hey, Kelly Conti here. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a simple little tear like this in a leather seat. What happens is over-aggressive use of conditioners and softeners attract dirt particles. The seat wears, creases form, and then it wears through. But you can make it look like this. It's pretty easy to repair, doesn't take that long. The materials are cheap. Here's a vegan seat with an accidental tear in it. You can see the foam backing in back of the leather. What we're going to do is trim off any excess material to make the edges smooth. It'll help you later. Give it a good cleaning with an all-purpose cleaner or soap like this, or even Dawn dishwashing detergent, just as long as it's clean. Always wipe the area after with isopropyl alcohol. I usually use a 3M scuff pad when I clean. I usually clean the whole panel because I tend to blend the dye in the whole panel. You'll need a 600 grit sandpaper, and I've taken a scrap piece of vinyl to use as my patch, and I cut it larger than the tear. We're going to tuck it in behind the tear, in between the foam and the leather layer, and make sure there are no wrinkles. We need a good leather filler. I'll put all the materials in the links in the description. And you butter the undersurface of the leather in between the patch material and the surface leather. Give it a good coating, flatten it, scrape the excess, and let it dry. You can hasten drying with a hair dryer. After it's dry, you fill in the rent with more filler. Light coats are best. Let it dry in between coats, and then when finally dry, give it a good sanding with sandpaper. I use classic coat on black seats, and 2 or 3 coats, light coats. It comes out like this, and looks pretty good in my opinion. Good luck.
Saab Magic Man.